Hello! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can find all Lilith altars at the Diablo 4 beta, and we'll also demonstrate how you can activate, well, the altar. So, once found, in order to activate the altar, you gotta hover your mouse on top of it and, well, click or press the interaction button, which by default, if you're using the mouse and keyboard, will be the left mouse button. So just click on it and the altar gets activated. And here you can see the map with all the Lilith altars, well, interacted with, or rather claimed. So the Altar of Lilith icon looks exactly like so. So from here you can, well, pause the video and, well, just go for each and every of those one by one. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.